Welcome to our channel. Is your living room missing that final touch of elegance and depth? In this video, we will explore the world of living room floor mirrors and discover how they can transform your space, adding style and reflection. Let's start with the classic choice, a large full length floor mirror. This mirror not only serves its practical purpose but also creates the illusion of a bigger space. It's perfect for checking your outfit before leaving the house of or adding a sense of grandeur to your living room. For a more relaxed and casual look, a learning floor mirror is an excellent option. Its laid back style adds a touch of effortless charm to your living room while providing an opportunity to play with angles and placement. If you want to make a bold statement, consider a floor mirror with an eye-catching frame or unique shape. This type of mirror becomes a captivating focal point, adding personality and visual interest to your living room. A decorative floor mirror can serve as a work of art in your living room. Look for mirrors with ornate frames, intricate detailing, or even etched designs that reflect your personal style and enhance the overall aesthetic of the space. Sometimes less is more, and a minimalist floor mirror can bring a sense of simplicity and elegance to your living room. Option for a sleek frameless mirror that seamlessly blends with any decor style, making it a versatile adding addition to your space. If you are looking for both functionality and style, consider a floor mirror with built-in storage. These mirrors often have hidden compartments or shelves, allowing you to keep your essentials close at hand while maintaining a clutter-free living room. An adjustable floor mirror provides versatility in terms of height and angle. You can easily tilt the mirror to get the perfect reflection or adjust it to accommodate